Hello, today we'll learn about prime factorization. Prime factorization is composed of two words. As you can see, one is prime, the second word is factorization. So factorization means, for example, if I say what are the factors for 14, so you can easily say 2 times 7. So the factors for 14 are 2, 7. And this is called factorization. So we factorized 14. Okay, and 2 and 7 are the factors for 14. Now the question is, what is a prime number? So what is a prime number? So a prime number is that number which can be divided by 1 and by itself. It has to be greater than 1. So what do I mean by this? Let's take up 2. So we can divide 2 by 1 and we can divide 2 by 2. So this is a prime number. Let's take an example of 4. We can divide 4 by 1, we can divide 4 by 4, and we can divide 4 by 2. So there are 3 factors. So it doesn't qualify the basic definition of prime numbers. So this is not a prime number. Prime number is that number which can only be divided by 1 and by itself. Let's take an example of 9. So it can be divided by 1, 9 can divide by 9, and we can divide it also by 3. So is this a prime number? 9? No, it's not a prime number. 3. Is 3 a prime number? We can divide 3 by 1 and we can divide 3 by 3, and it is a prime number. So this is what you're going to do. Now what we will do is we'll do something more. We'll learn how to factorize a number using prime numbers. So if I say, for example, the number that I have is 1764, so 1764, and if I say factorize this number using prime factors, so what we're going to do is we'll use tree diagram. So this is how it works. Okay, we're going to divide. I always start with 2. So we can divide 1764 by 2 and it will be 882. We can divide this by 2 again and it will be 441. We can divide 441. We can divide it by 3, not by 2. So we can divide it by 3 and it will be 147, and we can divide 147 by 3 and it will be 3 times 49, and we can divide 49 by 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, so these numbers on the left hand side, or these factors, are the prime numbers. When you are dividing it, it has to be a prime number. Then it will be called prime factorization. And this is how you're going to write it. So there's a way to write it. So you'll say 1764 equals 2, 2, 3. There's another 3. There is a 7. There is a 7. You can also write this as, it doesn't change anything. Okay. If the question is to write this number as a product of its prime factors, so you can write it in this format. Okay, so this is what we have, and that is it for prime factorization. I hope you understand it, and I hope you'll be able to do the question